Imagine a quiet night over the Persian Gulf. Suddenly, a flash lights up the sky, and the ground trembles. This isn't a movie. This could be the reality of the Middle East. Can Iran bring Israel to its knees with its ballistic missiles? Can Israel's Iron Dome and Arrow systems stop a full-scale attack? If war breaks out in 2025, who will win? Today, we'll break it all down, missile by missile, technology by technology, strategy by strategy. Stay with us till the end, because what we'll share last, most people never reveal. Satellite Part 1, Iran's missile power. As of 2025, Small Blue Diamond Ballistic Missile Program. Iran's ballistic missile arsenal is the largest in the Middle East. Over the years, it has developed self-sufficiency in missile production, with key systems like Shahab 3 range, 1,000 to 2,000 km warhead, 200 kg can strike anywhere in Israel. Qadr F and Qadr H upgraded Shahab variants, enhanced accuracy range, up to 2,000 km. Khorramshahr range, 2,000 km warhead capacity, 1,800 kg capable of carrying multiple warheads, MRV, Zulfiqar and Desful short and medium-range missiles suitable for battlefield deployment. Small Blue Diamond cruise missiles. Iran has also developed sophisticated cruise missiles such as Somar, Yaali, and Haviz, a ground-launched stealthier, low-altitude flight path range, 700 to 1,500 km harder to intercept than ballistic missiles. Small Blue Diamond drones and missile combinations. Iran effectively combines drones with missile strikes. Shahid 136 suicide drones, low cost, hard to detect, used in swarms, a serious threat to Israeli air defense systems. Shield Part 2, Israel's missile defense and offensive capabilities. As of 2025, Small Blue Diamond Iron Dome, best in class. Short-range defense, intercepts rockets and artillery shells, 90% plus success rate. Recently upgraded to handle drones and cruise missiles. Small Blue Diamond David Sling mid-range interceptor targets missiles like Shahab and Zulfiqar, fills the gap between Iron Dome and Arrow. Small Blue Diamond Arrow 2 and Arrow 3 long-range ballistic missile interceptors capable of exo-atmospheric, space-based, interception, specifically designed to counter missiles like Shahab 3 and Khorramshahr. Small Blue Diamond offensive missile capability. Jericho 3, Israel's long-range ballistic missile range, 4,800 to 6,500 km, nuclear capable, can strike deep into Iranian territory. Cruise missiles launched from land and submarines, highly accurate and hard to intercept, effective against key Iranian facilities. Small Blue Diamond Air Force support. F-35 Ayadir stealth 5th generation fighter penetrates Iranian airspace undetected, can target Iranian missile sites and nuclear infrastructure. Crossed Swords Part 3, what if war breaks out in 2025? If Iran and Israel engage in direct warfare in 2025, Iran could launch dozens or hundreds of missiles and drones toward Israeli cities, airbases, and critical infrastructure. Israel would attempt to intercept most incoming threats using Iron Dome, David Sling, and Arrow systems. Israel may launch preemptive strikes targeting Iran's missile factories, launch sites, and nuclear facilities. Iran's proxies like Hezbollah in Lebanon and other militias in Syria and Iraq could open secondary fronts. Regional players like the U.S., Saudi Arabia, and UAE could be dragged into the conflict. Cyber warfare could paralyze infrastructure on both sides. Brain conclusion: in 2025, both Iran and Israel possess formidable missile power. Iran's strength lies in quantity, range, and proxy network. Israel's strength lies in advanced defense systems, precision offense, and superior air force. But if a missile war begins, the impact will go beyond Iran and Israel. It could engulf the entire Middle East, and beyond. Direct hit closing message for the viewers: is missile power the real security in today's world? Or is diplomacy the wiser path? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive analysis.